So this is when you know you're a professional Selectric mechanic. I'm just doing a final cleanup on this Selectric after adjusting the ribbon lift on this on camera, and the dual pitch assembly up here was out of whack, and I'm just doing a final cleanup. And I get up here to these levers and I'm just wiping them off, doing some cleanup, and I notice, which isn't noticeable to the naked to regular person, but this lever is out of whack. Looks fine, it's working fine, but it's cockeyed. It's just a little bit not level, so that means it's loose. So here's the problem. See, it is loose. See, wobbling around like that. That's really critical. That controls the detent, Platen detent right there, and this whole thing is flopping around. So it's loose on the stud. There's a stud here. Let's see if I can get a camera angle on this. It works. So this stud, there's the bolt end, and there's a screw here, and it's a shoulder screw, and it screws together, and this is just all loose. It's actually pretty common. Now, the only tricky part is do not over tighten this, because it will break. So you need to hold that nut with a 1/4 inch right there, and then there's just a blade opening on this side, and then just need to tighten it up. So I was one whole turn loose, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of a tight job. Not too much, because that will break the bolt in there. Now this does not wobble at all. It's wobbling the whole frame now, but it won't wobble the detent, and this arm is back perfectly straight. So just one of those things that a professional will catch and nobody else will. And this was reconditioned by somebody else, by the way, and I'm doing follow-up service on it for the local customer. So they didn't catch it either, the people who supposedly reconditioned this Selectric. All right, just something wanted to make a note of. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.